Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Let's draw Naruto together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw the outline of the eye like I do, a little elongated and then two small circles. With two small lines, draw the nose, and with a horizontal line, the mouth. Now, draw a rectangle with curved bases for the band. Then another smaller rectangle inside it. Trace 6 small circles at the ends and draw the symbol of the leaf village as shown in the video. Wow! Our design is already taking shape! Now draw a zigzag line to create the hair. Draw the eyebrows, the outline of the face, and then the ears. Draw 3 lines on each cheek, and then the neck and base of the jacket collar. Now, trace the hair tuft behind the neck and draw the jacket collar. Draw 2 far vertical lines and 2 more lines closer to the center. Draw a few lines here and there to give movement to the fabric and draw a line for the shoulders. Our friend turned out great! Well done! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eye's pupils. Aqua green for the iris of the eye. Use pink for the skin. Blue for the band on the forehead and the jacket shoulders. Now take the yellow for the hair. And the orange for the color stripes of the jacket. Now, a final touch with the gray around the symbol of the Leaf Village and the zipper strip. You've been really skillful! Our Naruto is ready for a new adventure! Goodbye my friends, see you soon!